What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Instagram account in your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to on your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you have to click on your profile in the right bottom corner. After going to your profile, what you need to do, you have to click on the three dot bar in the top right corner in this option. Then you have to click on accounts center in the top option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I am going to show you so that you can delete your Instagram account easily. So after going to accounts center, what you need to do, you have to click on a option called personal details. You have to click on this personal details option. Then you have to click on account ownership and control. Then you have to click on deactivation or deletion. Just like this, you have to click on this. Then after that you have to select a profile. If you have multiple profile, they will show it here. If you want to delete this, I'm going to do this. Then you can see here is two option, deactivate account and delete account. If you want to delete your account, you have to choose delete account. Then you have to click on continue. Then you have to put a anything, the reason that you want. Then you have to click on continue. Then if you want to, before you permanently delete your account, you might want to take a look at those articles. If you want to delete your account, you can click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, you have to put your password of Instagram. Then you can easily delete your Instagram account there that way. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.